It comes and goes very quickly. They take it out very fast and they put it in pretty quickly, but it looks like they're doing a real good job. Every once in a while, you hit your foot going in, and that doesn't always feel real good when you're doing that. Well, we were cramped in there a little bit. We also took the dead space off right up here, and it opened it up a lot, and we pulled the shower out a little bit. Got an extra 4 to 6 inches out there. You got these guys, they do this on a regular basis, so they know exactly what they're doing. They know exactly how to go about that. So they can make the process go pretty quickly. They kind of brought us in, show us what was available, what they could do. They put these here where we thought they would probably be the best option. Everything worked out real great on that. Well, I was very impressed with how everything went. And I was very happy with that part. It worked out very good, and they were on time right when they said they were going to be here. And so it makes it feel like you got a little room now. If I had the option to do it again, I would do it again. We might. We got 2 more bathrooms.